Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to install Matplotlib library on my Python. So Matplotlib library is an important library where you can use this library for creating static, animated, interactive visualizations in Python like these, okay? So this is very important, okay? So how can we install this library? So you can just type in this command in your command prompt. So first, let's open up the command prompt. CMD, and then here type in pip install and then matplotlib and then press enter. So it says requirement already satisfied because this library is already been installed in my system. Okay, so this is how you can install Matplotlib library in your computer. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any problems while installing, please let us know in the comments below. We will help you out with the errors, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.